just that irresistible, earthy aroma that fills the air after a summer rain. There's a scientific term for it: Petrichor. This enchanting scent isn't just poetic, it's chemistry in action. The story begins with plants exuding oils during dry spells. These oils seep into soil and rocks, lying dormant until the first raindrops arrive. When rain finally falls, it doesn't just wet the ground. It releases these trapped oils, along with a compound called geosmin, produced by soil-dwelling bacteria known as actinomycetes. Geosmin has an incredibly potent, earthy fragrance, and humans are remarkably sensitive to it. We can detect it in concentrations as low as 5 parts per trillion. As raindrops hit the ground, they create tiny bubbles that burst and launch these fragrant molecules into the air, carrying the scent far and wide. The result: that familiar, refreshing aroma we associate with rain. Petrichor isn't just pleasant, it's a reminder of nature's intricate chemistry and our deep-rooted connection to the Earth's rhythms and cycles.